Vroom vroom. Hey awesome friends! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the coolest pit stop for fun drawing and coloring. Today we're heading to Radiator Springs because we're drawing two of the most loved characters from Disney Pixar's Cars. The super fast Lightning McQueen and his best buddy, the lovable tow truck Mater. Are you ready to race into some creative fun? Let's start our engines and sketch away. We start with a bumpy, boxy shape. Next comes his towing hook in the back, and don't forget his mismatched side mirrors and dents. Those are his style. He's a tow truck after all. Mater may be rusty, but he's got the biggest heart and the funniest jokes in Radiator Springs. Now I'm adding his goofy smile, big buck teeth, and those funny round eyes. For coloring, I'm using rusty brown and light blue for his body, and a bit of gray for the hook and wheels. He's perfectly imperfect, just like in the movie. Wow, he's looking fast and ready to win the Piston Cup. Let's begin with Lightning McQueen. I start by sketching his smooth car shape. He's sleek, shiny, and built for speed. Now let's add his eyes on the windshield. Then we draw the famous number 95 on his side and his cool lightning bolt design. Don't forget his racing tires with the Lightyear logo. Always full of confidence and energy. Time to color him up. I'm using a bright red for his body, yellow and orange for the lightning bolt, and black and gray for the tires. Wow, he's looking fast and ready to win the Piston Cup. And ta-da! Our dynamic duo is ready. Lightning McQueen zooms in with speed and Mater rolls in with laughs. A true friendship on wheels. Together, they teach us that winning isn't everything. What really matters is friendship, kindness, and sticking together. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more cool videos on Zoonitoons. Tell me in the comments. Should we draw Sally next? Or maybe Cruz Ramirez? Until then, keep your engines running, your crayons coloring, and your imagination racing. See you next time, little racers. Vroom, vroom, bye-bye.